Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be uploading another Get Paid To app, guys. I'm sure this one is gonna blow your mind. Guys, we've been a while ever since we're waiting for this app, guys. So here's what it happened. Let me just a little bit update you guys what happened. So we've been struggling to download this app because it was not available on our country, because a lot of people were making money from other countries, guys, like United States, Canada, and other countries from Europe, guys. We've been making money on this app. When they talk about this app, guys, they say that this app, it has a lot of surveys to complete, guys, and you can make a lot of money here on this app. So guys, before I jump on the name of the app, how it works, how you gonna earn money here on this app, can you please, guys, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. So guys, I'm here on Google Play Store. So if you wanna download this app, you can click the link in the description down below. It will redirect you straight to Google Play Store, guys. So when you use my special link, you'll get some bonus points other than starting afresh. So guys, the link is in the description down below. So guys, I want you to download this app, more especially if you wanna make money online. Yes guys, yes, you're not gonna make a lot of money here on this app. These apps, guys, help you to earn some extra money on the side. So guys, I want you to download this app into your mobile device. So here you click install. Then guys, after installing this app into your mobile device, right after it has completely installed into your device, guys, this button, you'll see this button here, uninstall and open, guys. You click open. After opening this app, then you'll be redirected to this page, guys. Earn money by answering surveys. So guys, here you'll earn money just by answering surveys, guys. It's another Get Paid To app whereby you'll get paid to do short surveys, guys. This app deals only with surveys, but I'll show you quickly how you're gonna complete these surveys. So guys, here you have to click I agree to the Attapoll terms of use and privacy. Click on this box. Then if you already have an account, or you are using this app, or you have downloaded this app into your mobile device, then guys, you can click login. But I believe most of us don't have this app into our mobile devices. Then we click create an account. Then guys, first of all, the first option is you can continue with Google, or you can continue with your email. But in most cases, guys, I prefer you use Google, continue with Google, because it's easy, guys. It doesn't have a lot of processes. So guys, after that you choose Google. Then after that you will click the button continue right here at the bottom, guys. After you are done with the sign up process, of which is using your email or Google account, you'll be required to go and check your email to complete the login process or the sign up process, guys. So now just go straight to your email. You can click open your email right over here, or you can go manually to your email, guys. As you can see here, the email that I'm carrying, here's the email from Attapoll. You'll be redirected to this page right over here that says get the best surveys. Surveys can be about various topics. To match you to the best surveys, we have to ask you some basic questions. Your information will be stored securely at all times, which means, guys, your information will be private. They won't show it to their companies or to their third-party companies that they are joined with to supply you with surveys, guys. Don't worry about your personal information. So now, guys, as we all know that in all the Get Paid To services, there are certain demographic profile questions that we need to answer in order to get surveys. Yes, here as well on Attapoll, guys, you will have to complete those questions, guys. All right, in order for you to get surveys, or in order for you to get surveys that match your profile, guys. Okay, so they don't just give you surveys, any survey. No, they want to know you first. After knowing you, then they'll give you surveys that are matching your profile. Okay, guys, so now let's click continue. So here are those questions. You are male or female. See, these are the questions that you need to answer, your age and everything, when were you born, something like that. You see now. Yes, now after you are done with that short survey, guys, yes, you won't get paid for doing that short survey. They are just arranging your profile so that you can get surveys that match your profile, guys. Okay, now you have to choose the length of the survey. For me, both short surveys less than 15 minutes are good, and long surveys are good. But if you are annoyed by those long surveys, you can just click here. You can turn them off, guys. You can just click here to turn them off. Yes. Then notification frequency. If there's a survey available, guys, you can use this. When must they notify you? 8 per week, 4 per week, 2 per week. So, guys, as many as possible. It's okay. It's okay. It's the right choice. I chose as many as possible. It's okay. Then I click continue. Then you must allow this app into your mobile device. As you can see, guys, what I love about Attapoll, here in my country, the minimum withdrawal is $2, guys. Right, the minimum withdrawal, as you can see here, this thing must be filled. If it's full, you can be able to cash out via PayPal or Skrill, or you can donate your earnings, guys. You see, right? Then you click cash out over here. You can choose to donate your earnings, or you can withdraw via Skrill or donate your money. That's all, guys. Right, there are also some referral bonuses, guys. If you refer someone here on this platform, you'll get, for each survey your friend completes, you get 10% of their earnings, guys. You can use my code right over here. I also leave my link in the description down below, guys. So you can use my link to get your 10%. I'll also get 10%, guys. Whenever you complete a survey, I get 10%, and also whenever I complete a survey, you get 10%, guys. You see, so let me help you how it works. Whenever there's a survey, guys, how you can earn money here on this platform. Whenever there's a survey here, whenever there is a survey available, it will appear here on their dashboard, guys. These are two, as you can see here, I have 2 surveys that I have to complete. I can click on them. Remember, all the surveys, guys, are not guaranteed. It doesn't mean that if you see a survey on the dashboard, when you take it, you'll be able to complete it. And we know all the advantages that you can also be disqualified when taking surveys, guys. So, guys, let me know what you think about this app in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you, guys. Let's start making money, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video, guys. So if you are not interested on this app, you can check other apps that I've uploaded in the past, guys. In the list of my videos, guys, there are different ways to make money online you can choose from. If this one, taking survey, is not your thing, you can look for another way to make money online by just watching some of my videos. Once again, thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.